Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to use AI Select to capture, translate, or clip anything on screen. So on your Samsung Galaxy device, you can basically turn on the Edge panel and activate AI Select, which is right here. So you can circle any content on your screen, text, image, or product, and interact with it. You can translate it, save it, copy it, or pin it. So let me show you how to do this. So here's an example. We'll go ahead and open up Google Chrome. And let's just say I want to clip this image here, or I want to save this image here. So we'll go ahead and open up the Edge panel, tap AI Select. We'll go ahead and create a circle around it. So here's an example. I want to go ahead and download this image. So with this image, I can go ahead and crop it. I can pin it. I can copy it. I can share it, or I can go ahead and download it. With this image as well, I can go ahead and use Generative Edit to create something out of it. Or I can use Drawing Assist as well, or text feature. So let's just say, for example, you want to copy it. So we can do that and go ahead and paste it anywhere you like. As you can see, we've pasted it there. So it's basically a supercharged multitasking tool. So whether you're shopping online, studying, or browsing, this tool basically helps you extract and act on information instantly. So there you go, guys. That is how to use AI Select to capture, translate, or clip anything on screen.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.